Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious non-alcoholic mojito. To begin, gather your fresh ingredients: about 10 to 12 mint leaves, 1 whole lime, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 6 ounces of chilled club soda. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This vibrant, refreshing drink is perfect for any occasion, offering a delightful, alcohol-free alternative. Now, let's get to the heart of the mojito's flavor. Place your 10 to 12 mint leaves into a sturdy glass. Add 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar or simple syrup if you prefer. Squeeze in the juice from 1 whole lime. Then, gently muddle these ingredients together for about 10 to 15 seconds. This releases the mint's aromatic oils without tearing the leaves. With your muddled base ready, it's time to build your drink. Fill the glass completely with crushed ice. This ensures a perfectly chilled beverage. Next, pour about 6 ounces of chilled club soda over the ice. Give the mixture a gentle stir to combine all the wonderful flavors you've created. Remember, you can always adjust the sweetness or lime to your personal preference. Your non-alcoholic mojito is almost ready. For the perfect presentation, garnish your drink with a fresh lime wedge. You can also add a vibrant sprig of mint, gently clapped between your hands to release its aroma for an extra sensory touch. Serve your beautiful, alcohol-free mojito immediately and savor every refreshing sip. It's a delightful treat for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.